It rained all night, so I made a paper boat to test how it floats. It moved so smoothly at first. I tried not to breathe too hard. I didn't want it to sink. Then the wind came. My boat wobbled and almost fell over. I noticed the front was too sharp. I folded it again to make it wider. Now it worked. It floated longer, just needed a small change. I learned that fixing things is like folding paper. You just adjust a little, not start over. Next time it rains, I'll build a whole fleet. Don't forget to follow us for more adventures.